Hi guys, welcome to another YouTube video. Today I've decided I'm gonna start a supermarket series. Yay! No, like literally, how fun is that? I'm gonna start a supermarket series. I don't know how long it's gonna be. Maybe infinite. Maybe it's infinite and let's not talk and sit around and let's get right into it. New game. Woohoo! And I did watch some YouTube videos of this game, so I kinda know the basics. You start with a small store and grow to an awesome supermarket. Start by purchasing goods to sell and place them onto the shelf. Don't forget to set the prices with a profit to avoid bankruptcy. Have fun. Thank you. So if this video is short, sorry about that. Let's order some things with our $50. What are we gonna buy? Literally, what are we gonna buy? Buy some flour. Let's buy some sugar, pasta, this, bread and oil. No. How many oils did I get? No. Oh, come on, too much. And now we can. Come on, no. Where is it? Let me click on the X. Why is my mouse glitching? Continue. No, it's glitching. And I don't have the best PC, but it can handle the supermarket series. And the record time I'm gonna go for is like 10 minutes or something. I'm gonna make it zigzag. Zigzag. Yeah. And another zigzag. Let's turn up the volume. Yeah, that's better. And you can turn up the volume too. And you can turn up the amount of views there are on this video. That's what you can do too. Right? Let's open. No, let's not open. Let's first set the prices. $4 for bread. $3 for this. No, let's move this first. And now let's put this to 5. And this to 3. This is a fair price. I'm the smallest supermarket in town. And I think only. Hi. Let me slip. Let me sit. Oh, now I can sit. Cash. $50. This. Nico, give him $5. Yeah. And if you make a mistake, like with cash, I'll show you what happens. If someone gives me cash, I'll show the viewers what's gonna happen if you make a mistake. One time. And how are we 4 minutes in? I don't know. But in this part of the series, I'm gonna sell all my products and I'm gonna stop the video. I think that's 10 minutes. I don't know, maybe. And now, if I put $10 inside of 5, this happens. You can take back your money by right-clicking on the bills in the cash register thing. Okay. And if you give them too much, you give them actually money. Yeah. And if you give them too little, you steal money. Yeah, you can do that with a pen. Like if you have a product for 1 cent, then if they give you pin, you could do like 1,000, and then, or you can do 1 and then 2,000 zeros. I'm spending 0. I'm spamming 0 button. Okay, good. $1. $4. Come on. Why is the time in life so fast? I don't understand. And if this video gets 100 views, I'll make part 2. Yeah. And get this video also to 100 views also. And and if that happens, I will put this. Do this. Do this in the part 2. Stay. No, stay there. Stay. You're back, microphone. I don't know even what you are. What the heck? Why did you give me $100 bill? Can I have the $100? I want $100. I want $100. Okay, fine. How's this 7 minutes? I don't know. Okay. Look. I'm gonna click. Oh, I want to do it again. No. No. This one. Cage. Like that. Pin. $6. $4. I already look at my money. 69, the joke number. I had the joke number. Nice. And now there's almost no more products. That's good. No, it's glitchy. Sorry, it's glitchy, okay? I just don't have a PC. And how does this computer run? It's a computer. I do not game on the monitor. This is a computer. My dad's computer. It's almost the same as a gaming thing. I also have my own mouse. I love it. It's blue and it's perfect for me. And I also have my own mouse. Microphone. No, my camera. Don't die. Please don't record me, please. I want to make it a video. But this is the last. This is the last day. This is the last day. This is the last day, and then yeah, I'm gonna yeah. So in part 2, I'm gonna publish this, a license. So this is the only one more. Okay, and $40. So that's good. So we will stop right here. Okay, guys, let me set up the camera first. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and bye.